In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off shipping on Squarespace. Imagine you're transitioning your business to focus more on local sales, or maybe you've decided to switch to purely digital products. Whatever the case, there comes a time when shipping options on your Squarespace site may no longer be necessary. That's exactly what we're diving into today. Let's simplify your site by removing shipping and introducing a pickup option instead. This feature is especially handy for those of you running local businesses, as it allows your customers to personally collect their purchases, saving both time and shipping costs. First things first, head over to your browser and type in Squarespace's website. Once there, you'll see the login button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on that. Squarespace offers various methods to sign in, but for ease, we'll select Continue with Google. This option lets you sign in with your Google account, an efficient way to bypass remembering another password, so click on your desired Google account to proceed. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your website's dashboard. Look for a panel or a link that takes you directly to your site. Clicking it will bring you to the back end of your Squarespace site. Next, you're going to venture into the settings area of your site. Settings is where the magic happens, allowing you to tweak and tune your site to your heart's content. You'll probably see a number of options here, but for our purpose, we're interested in the selling settings. This area governs everything to do with how you sell online, including your shipping settings. Within the selling settings, locate and click on Shipping. This is where Squarespace allows you to manage how you send out products to your customers. But since we're focusing on local or digital offerings, we won't be needing these shipping options. Look for an option labeled Setup Pickup. This is Squarespace's method of enabling local pickup for your products. It's an excellent alternative to shipping, especially if your operations are more localized or if you're serving a community-based clientele. Selecting this option prompts you to configure a pickup option which your customers can choose at checkout. Click on Add Pickup Option to create a new pickup location. This could be your store, office, or any other place where you plan to hand off products to your customers. You'll then be asked to input the name of your pickup location. This could be as straightforward as the name of your store or studio. Following that, enter the address of the pickup location. Be as detailed as possible to ensure your customers find it without any hassles. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, don't forget the most important step. Click Save to secure your changes. And just like that, you've successfully updated your Squarespace site to favor local pickups over shipping. This not only streamlines your operations, but also offers a more personal touch to your customer service. And there you have it. You've just tailored your website to better suit your current business model, all with a few simple clicks. Remember, the goal is to make your website work for you and your unique needs. Squarespace's flexibility with options like local pickup helps you do just that, keeping everything running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful tips on making the most of your Squarespace site.